I decided to upgrade at CNC because I was a stay-at-home mom and I wanted to be a role model for my kids, and I thought the social work program would be the best fit for me. So I got a job in support work and applied at CNC. My experience in the social work program was good, but I did have difficulties because learning about the Indigenous people and relating it back to my family was very hard. I was doing dishes one night and I was asking myself all these why questions, like why am I the way I am, or why do I act the way I do? And I just feel that the social work program has made me realize that colonization was the reason why. And it was just a big deal for me because I never came to that realization until I was in the social work program. The truth and reality of Indigenous people were the missing pieces I needed to feel whole. I want to go out there and help people realize that it is not their fault for feeling the way they do. I want to encourage people to step outside of their comfort zone because being comfortable keeps you silent, and a lot of people do not realize that they have the potential to make great impacts in the world.